Hi everybody, I'm Gladys, and today we're going to assemble the VIAGGI Playard. First, we're going to take out the materials from the storage bag. We have the mattress pad, the frame, and lastly, the bassinet. Remember to keep the instructions so you can always refer to them. First, we're going to unfold the frame, like so. Then we're going to pull each leg of the frame, and you want to make sure that they clip so you know that they're secure. Like that. Before you turn the frame over, make sure each leg is secure by moving them. And make sure each pin is securely locked. You can flip your frame. Now we're going to insert the mattress pad. To finalize this step, you have to secure the mattress pad using this strap and inserting it through the opening of the frame. Make sure to repeat that for each corner. And we're done with the frame. Now, it's time to work with the bassinet. What you want to do is unfold the bassinet with the back facing upwards, just like that. Then, you want to take each support tube and slide it until you hear a click. That's going to tell you that it's secure. Now you're going to flip over the bassinet, and we're going to put it in the frame. There are 8 clips that you need to snap on the frame. Once you're done, the last step is to snap each belt, like that. And we're done. Easy, right? Now we're gonna put it back in the bag. First, you're gonna unsnap each belt. Now we're gonna take the clips off of the frame. Now we're going to unlock the support tubes in order to fold the bassinet. Just press the pins. Now we're going to work on the frame. Then you unlock each leg. Lastly, we're going to fold the frame. There's a button on each side of the frame you have to press in order to do so. Just like that. To make it easier, put the mattress pad first. And that's it. Light, easy, convenient. Bye!